Welcome to the Mindstorm channel. Guess what? I used to work at Netflix. And I want to tell you some strange, awesome, and very coolio facts about Netflix. Cause Netflix has totally changed, like, the way we watch TV and movies. Did you know that the company's original name was Kibble? Or that they introduced a feature called Netflix Roulette? Here now are some really super crazy strange things you might not have known about Netflix. Fact number 1. You might know this one, it's pretty kinda what everybody remembers about Netflix's first business model. It was to rent DVDs by mail. That's right, before streaming was even a thing, Netflix was all about the physical media. Can you imagine having to wait for the mailman to bring you the latest episode of Stranger Things? But they eventually transitioned to streaming, and now we can watch our favorite shows and movies anytime, anywhere. Thank you, Netflix, for making our lives so much easier. Fact number 2. Netflix introduced a feature called Netflix Roulette in 2011. This feature allows you to randomly select a TV show or movie to watch. It's like a game of chance. You never know what you're going to get. Oh, wait, that was a box of chocolates.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates.
But it's a perfect way to discover new content that you may have missed otherwise. Here's strange, crazy, kinda cool fact number 3. In 2013, Netflix released episodes of a new show called House of Cards, all at once. This was considered a bold move at the time. We all know it now as binge watching. And let's be honest, who doesn't love binge watching?
This requires someone who will act. Who will do the unpleasant thing.
Oh man. Sorry, I love binging House of Cards. It's like a marathon of entertainment, and it's so satisfying to finish a whole season in one sitting. Unless I fall asleep. Which I kinda do. Pretty often. Thanks, Netflix, for making our lazy Sunday afternoons even lazier. Fact number 4. Netflix has a unique way of choosing what shows to produce called the Netflix algorithm. This algorithm uses data from viewers to decide what to produce, and also decides when to release new episodes to maximize the chances of a show being successful. Talk about data-driven decision-making. With this algorithm, Netflix is able to produce shows and movies that viewers actually want to watch. Who needs focus groups when you have data? It's like having a crystal ball that predicts what we want to watch next. Strange fact number 6. Did you know you can remove movies from your viewing history? Like shows you didn't like? Just go to your profile, select your account, then just select your viewing activity. I don't know what movies or shows you're trying to hide, but I ain't gonna ask. Fact number 6. Did you know Netflix has a feature called Netflix Originals, which are shows and movies that are produced and distributed by Netflix? Okay, maybe you knew that one. It's kinda obvious. Some of the most popular shows are Stranger Things, The Crown, Narcos, and The Witcher. These shows are not only critically acclaimed, but also viewers go nuts over them. With Netflix Originals, we get to enjoy unique and original content that can't be found anywhere else. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good binge watch session of a Netflix original? Am I right? So, Netflix Originals is cool, but did you know that they also have something called Netflix Originals International? This feature for fact number 7 allows users to watch shows and movies from different countries with subtitles or dubbing in their own language. It's a great way to discover new cultures and stories. With this feature, you can travel the world without ever leaving your couch. It's like being a couch potato with a passport. Fact number 8. In 2020, Netflix had more than 208 million subscribers, which means more than 208 million people have access to the same content. But did you know that Netflix also has a feature called Netflix Profiles? This feature allows each user to create their own profile and save their own watch list and preferences. This means that even though 208 million people have access to the same content, they don't necessarily watch the same thing. So, you probably knew this already. Okay, fine, I did too, but it's still like having a personal butler. Strange, awesome, kinda cool fact number 9. Netflix actually invented the feature called Netflix Postplay. You know that feature that all of the other pay TV platforms now have? The one that plays the next episode while you're trying to watch the credits? Because you really wanted to see if that was really a young Reese Witherspoon in the TV show, but the next episode plays seconds later and you can never get back to the end of the last episode to see the credits. That feature! Yeah, Netflix invented that. And finally, I got your fact number 10. In 2021, Netflix introduced a feature called Netflix Party. This feature allows users to watch movies and shows together with friends or family, even if they're not in the same location. It's like having a virtual movie night, with all the perks of watching together, like real-time commentary and reactions. So, no more excuses for not watching the latest episode together, even if you're miles apart. And that, my fine fellow binge watchers, concludes my video on the 10 strange and coolio facts about Netflix. It's pretty clear that Netflix is always pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of entertainment. If you push the like button and subscribe to the Mindstorm channel, you'll be pushing the limits too. Thanks for watching!